For geography. Today we are going to talk about scale of the map. Let's see what is a scale. A scale is a ratio between distance measured on the map and the corresponding distance on the ground connecting two given points represented by the same unit. A scale is a ratio between distance measured on the map and the corresponding distance on the surface connecting two given points represented by the same unit. Usually, scale can be expressed in three ways. They are verbal scale or a statement, representative fraction, and linear scale. Verbal scale or a statement, representative fraction, and linear scale are the three ways to express distance on a map. What is a verbal scale? Distance on a map can be expressed by means of words. In a verbal scale, distance is expressed in words. For example, 1 centimeter on the map represents 50 kilometers on the ground. In such a way, by means of words, scale is expressed. This scale is called verbal scale or statement. But this verbal scale is not very popular as it does not give accurate measurement. A verbal scale does not give accurate measurement, so it is not very popular. Next we can see what is a representative fraction. Representative fraction is a scale used on a topographical survey map to express distance. This representative fraction is universally accepted as it gives more accurate measurement as compared to a verbal scale. Moreover, it can be converted into any unit of measurement. Because of these advantages, representative fraction is universally accepted. Representative fraction gives more accurate measurement as compared to a verbal scale, so it is universally accepted. On every topographical survey map, one can notice 1:50,000 printed below, which means the scale of the map, that is representative fraction. What does it mean? 1 unit on the map represents 50,000 units on the ground. The third method to represent distance on a map is linear scale. Linear scale is otherwise known as graphic scale. Linear scale is otherwise known as graphic scale. Linear scale is the most accurate method of measuring distance on a map. The most accurate method of measuring distance on a map is linear scale or graphic scale. Here you have a diagrammatic representation of linear scale. This linear scale represents 7 km. The scale to which it is drawn is 2 cm is equal to 1 km. To the right of 0, there are 6 compartments. Represents 6 km. Each compartment represents 2 cm or 1 km. To the left of 0, 1 kilometer compartment is subdivided into 10 equal parts which represent 100 meter each. Altogether there are 7 kilometers. On all the topographical survey map, you have linear scale. It is used to measure the distance between 2 points on the map. Below every topographical survey map, you have a diagrammatical representation of linear scale which represents 7 kilometers. On all the topographical survey map, representative fraction and linear scale mentioned below. Here 1:50,000 printed, which is representative fraction. What does it mean? 1 unit on the map represent 50,000 unit on the ground. What are the advantages of representative fraction over verbal scale? It is a universally accepted scale. It can be converted into any unit of measurement. Just below representative fraction, you have linear scale. This scale is linear scale. On a topographical survey map, representative fraction and linear scale are widely used. Dear children, to score high, always you have to refer previous year's question paper. The scale of the map is one of the unavoidable part of topographical survey map. Concerning this portion, you may get questions at the time of board examination. Usually, define the term scale. What do 1:50,000 printed below the map indicate? What does it mean? What are the advantages of representative fraction over other scale? And so on are few of the questions from this topic. I hope that you could get me well. Rest in next video. If you like the channel, kindly share, like and subscribe. Thank you.